Everyone says that you need 3 things to win at dropshipping: luck, skills, and money in the bank. But as someone who's been doing this for 8 years and helped over 10,000 people start from zero and scale past 6 figures, I'm telling you right now, that's complete bullshit. In 2026, there's a way to eliminate all 3 using nothing but proven buyer behavior. And when you see how simple this actually is, you'll realize everything that you've been told about dropshipping is completely backwards. Before we get started, this video today is brought to you by SEMrush. Here's what most people do when they start dropshipping. They scroll through product research videos on YouTube, they look at Facebook ad library, they check out TikTok made me buy it compilations. They see a product and think, ooh, that's cool, maybe that will work. Then they launch it and they just pray, leaving everything up to luck. And that is 100% pure gambling. But here's what the top earners do. And this is what's going to blow your mind because of how simple it is. What they're doing is they just look at what is already working. They don't guess, they don't brainstorm, they don't sit in a room and say, I wonder what people want. What they do is they find competitors who are already making money. They see what these competitors are doing. They see what is driving traffic, and they let the data make the decisions. Then, only then, do they enter the game with a massive advantage. This brings me to SEMrush, a competitive intelligence platform that lets you reverse engineer any successful brand in your market. Because I'm about to show you something that literally changed how I approach this entire business as a whole. And this tool has been personally tested by myself and my team. So I'm telling you to add this to your workflow because it's already proven to work for mine. Now, most people think SEMrush is just for SEO nerds and marketing agencies. But when you understand how to use it for e-commerce, for dropshipping, it is a cheat code. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, what this tool does is it shows me not just one keyword, but hundreds of related keywords. And more importantly, it shows me the search volume for each one. I mean, look at this. Bible Study Guide has over 12,000 searches per month. Bible Study Guide for Beginners has 1,900 searches per month. So this data is literally proving that 12,000 people every single month are actually typing this into Google right now, today, literally in this very second. And here's the beautiful part. I know all of this before I spend a single dollar on ads, before I shoot a video, before I even build a Shopify store, where I'm not just hoping that it works, and I'm not praying that the algorithm magically picks it up. I'm confirming that it will work because the demand and data already exists. This is what I mean when I say you don't need luck. You just need real proven data. Because luck is what you need when you don't have information. But when you see exactly what people are searching for, when you see exactly what's driving your competitors' traffic, well, that's not luck anymore. That is strategy. I hear this all the time. I can't start dropshipping because I don't know how to write a copy. I'm not good at video editing. I don't understand Facebook ads. I'm not a designer. You don't need to be good at any of those things. You know what you need? You need to know what good really looks like. And then just let AI and automation completely do the rest. Let me explain what I mean, because this is going to change how you think about skills. Now, you remember that competitor that we just looked at? The one that's getting 4,300 visits a month from one keyword? Let's say that I want to compete with them. I want to create content like theirs and I want to rank for those same keywords. But there's a problem. I'm no professional writer. I don't know how to structure a 2,000 word blog post. I don't know SEO. And I don't know what headers to use or how to optimize for Google. Well, here's what I do. I use SEMrush to reverse engineer their entire strategy. I click into their top performing page and I can see everything. I mean, I can see the keywords that they're targeting. I can see the secondary keywords they're using. I can see their headers. I can see their word count. I can even see their internal links. I mean, basically, I'm looking at their entire blueprint, their entire recipe. Now, the old way of doing this, I'd have to hire a copywriter, pay them like $200 to $500 to write copy for my landing page and product page, wait 3 days for them to deliver it, and just hope that is good. But the new way, I just take that blueprint and I just feed it directly into AI. Saying something like, write me a $1,500 work copy for my landing page about daily Bible study guide. Use these secondary keywords, Bible study guide for beginners, free Bible study guide, how to study the Bible, and structure it with these headers. And just make it conversational and engaging. Literally, 60 seconds later, I have a complete blog post. Now, is it perfect? No. But it's 80% there. I spent 10 minutes editing it, adding in my personality, tweaking a few sentences, just making sure that it flows. And now I have content that would have taken a professional writer 3 to 4 hours to do. Same thing applies with product descriptions. Same thing with email sequences. same thing with ad copy. You don't write it from scratch. You just find what is already working using SEMrush, you model it, and you let AI execute it. So why are you sitting here thinking that you need 5 years of experience to compete, when in reality you don't? You just need to see what is already crushing it, and then just let AI help you create something even better that works for your brand. SEMrush even shows you which pieces of content are performing the best, which ones are getting the most traffic, the most backlinks, and the most social shares. I mean, you're literally looking at a cheat sheet of what works in your niche. Where here's the bottom line truth. Skills are just pattern recognition. When somebody sits there and says that they're good at copywriting, what they really means is that they've read enough good copy that they can recognize patterns and replicate them. Well, you want to guess what SEMrush does? It shows you all the patterns, all the top performing content, and all the proven strategies. And guess what AI does? It replicates patterns at scale. So you don't need to spend 5 years becoming a master at anything. You just need the right tools. You don't need skills when you have data plus AI. SEMrush shows you what works. AI helps you create it. And you just connect the dots in the middle. You don't need money. You can start for free. All right, final piece, money. But I don't have $5,000 for Facebook ads. I don't have a budget for influencers. I can't afford expensive tools. Listen, you don't need money. You need time and you need strategy. And I'm about to show you how to build real traffic without spending a single dollar on ads. Because here's what most people don't understand. Paid ads are just the fast lane. But there's a free lane that works just as well. It just takes consistency. And it's called organic traffic. Here's the reality. If you're broke right now, you have something more valuable than money. You have time. So let's use it strategically, where you can use SEMrush's keyword research to find search terms that have decent volume but are not super competitive.
Look at this. Best Bible Study Journal for Women. 1,900 searches per month. Keyword difficulty 24.
Now what that means is it's achievable to rank for, where you're not gonna need a massive site, you don't need a huge budget, you just need to create good content around this type of keyword. So you create a series of TikToks, and you're not just creating random content hoping it works, you're actually creating strategic content based off of what you already know people are searching for. You can even use SEMrush's content tools to map out an entire 90-day content plan based off of the keywords that actually have search volume. The goal is consistency, not perfection. And that is exactly what this gives you. All right, so now you're publishing 3 to 4 pieces of content per week, where every little piece links back to your store. And here's the key. You're not just building traffic, you're building an audience, and you're building owned media. And here's something that most dropshippers just don't understand. There's a big difference between owned media and earned media. Earned media is platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Google, where you're renting space and you're playing by their rules. And if they ban you tomorrow, you're basically done. But owned media, this is your email list, your MS subscribers, your audience that you can reach anytime on your terms without asking permission from Zuckerberg. That's why organic content is so powerful, because every piece of content that you create is building towards owned media that cannot be taken away from you. Every person who signs up for your email list, that's someone that you can reach anytime that you want without paying for ads and without depending on an algorithm. And once you have 1,000 or 2,000 people on your email list who really trust you, who value your content, who see you as an authority, I mean, you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month literally just from email marketing. No Facebook ads, no TikTok ads, just strategic emails to people who already know you. Now look, I'm not saying that paid ads are bad. Once you are making money, ads are the fastest way to scale. But if you're sitting there starting at $0 and you have a limited budget, well, this is how you do it. And SEMrush even helps you track your progress. You can monitor your rankings, you can see which content is starting to perform, you can identify what is working, so you can double down on what is actually driving the most for you. Where you're basically turning your entire content operation into a data-driven machine, where you're not guessing what to create, you're not hoping that it ranks, you're just following a proven playbook that is based off of what is already working. And here's the best part. The tool that shows you all of this, the one that gives you keyword research, competitor analysis, rank tracking, all in one place, it's completely free right now for your first 14 days. So click the link in my description and get started today. So when people say you need money to start dropshipping, What they really mean is you need money to start dropshipping the fast way with paid ads. But if you're willing to put in the work, if you're willing to create strategic content for 3 to 6 months while you build organic traffic, you can do this with literally $0. You just need the right strategy, the right information, and every day you just need to be consistent. That is it. All right, so let's zoom out for a second. So we just covered 3 boxes: no luck, no skills, and no money. But let me tell you why this approach works when 90% of people fail. You see, most people fail at dropshipping because they're operating in the dark. They're guessing, they're hoping, and they're throwing spaghetti at the wall. They're sitting there picking random products, creating random content, dumping money into ads, and just hoping that something sticks. And when it doesn't work, which it's not, they're gonna sit there and say dropshipping is dead, or the market is too saturated. But the market isn't saturated. You just didn't have the right information. When you lead with data, when you know what people are searching for, when you know what content is working, when you know what your competitors are doing, you eliminate 90% of the risk. Because you're not hoping that your product has demand, you're launching products with proven demand. You're not hoping that your content gets views, you're creating content around keywords that people are actively searching for. You're not hoping to stumble onto a winning strategy, you're reverse engineering strategies that are already winning. You see, this is what separates people who make $1,000 a month from people who make over $100,000 a month. It's not luck, it's definitely not talent, and it's not even hard work. And all these people who are making 6 figures plus aren't working harder than you. They're just playing with better information. And now you have access to the same information that they do. So the only question is, what are you going to do with it? You don't need luck, you need data. And SEMrush shows you what is already working in your niche. You don't need skills, you need AI. And SEMrush shows you what to create, and AI helps you create it. And lastly, you don't need money. SEMrush is free right now with the link that's below this video. So here's my challenge to you. Stop making excuses. Stop saying that you need luck. Stop saying that you don't have the skills. And stop saying that you don't have the money. You have everything that you need right now, today. So if you want to see what this actually looks like under pressure, then go ahead and watch this next video, where I start with a complete stranger at zero, no store and no experience, and build up to $10,000 in 7 days. You'll see where it almost falls apart and what actually pushes it over the line. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and following along with me. I'll see you